Good morning. So here we have our little science exercise for Tuesday. This one is called the Making Energy. So as you probably have learned already, plants use photosynthesis to make their own food. And this is just going to be a little project to show exactly how that works, just to change it up a little bit from our bookwork. So we're going to do the same process as yesterday. This time we're going to make our page look like this, something like this. And what we're going to show is just what goes into a plant during photosynthesis and then what comes out of the plant. So I'm going to go ahead and use my favorite colored pencils to color just a little bit, cut them out and place them. And then I will explain what goes into a plant, what comes out of it, and as I do the process, you can work with me to create our science paper. So now that I've cut out all of my pieces, I'm going to show you how to place them and how to fill out our missing word. I'm going to put our flower here. So for this tab right here, what you're going to do first is it says all living things need blank to survive. Different organisms use different kinds of energy. So it is obvious that the word that is missing here is energy, as that is what we are talking about. So what you're going to do is cut this little tab, because after you place your tab along the dotted line on your paper, you're going to write words under it. So what you're going to do is make sure that you're only gluing this top part so that you're able to flip it. So here we will identify where do plants get their energy and where do animals get their energy. So it is going to be plants get their energy from the sun, and I will tape this after. And then animals, it is obviously food, humans and animals. So after you place this and you are easily able to see the answers under, you're going to point the arrows to what the flower uses for energy, like what goes into it, and then what kind of energy comes out of it. So here we're going to put our photosynthesis tab around here, because that is what the plant uses. I'm going to put our little chlorophyll tab here. As you know, the chlorophyll is that green color inside of the leaves of the plant. So So sunlight goes in, water goes in the dirt, the plants absorb carbon dioxide, and then coming out is the oxygen that we breathe. So we definitely need plants. And energy for animals. So animals eat the plants and they get their energy, and we also eat plants and get our energy. So these arrows should be pointing to the plant. These arrows should be pointing away from the plant. Chlorophyll here, a little tab where the leaf and the stem are. And then make sure that you cut these so you have the sun and food under animals. So I'm going to go ahead and tape this together. And here at the very end, your mini project should look something like this, where you can see the answers, all of the arrows pointing to and from the plant, and you're done.